Yes, like, yes. I never in a million years thought I was gonna like this drink, and it's so good. Hi guys, what's up? Today we are going to be trying different Starbucks drinks, and I asked you guys on Instagram, but I probably should have asked y'all like this morning, like a lot earlier, because I've gotten like 3 DMs so far. But I remember I posted this photo on Instagram. Oh, I actually think I archived it. Let's put it back. So I posted this photo on Instagram a while ago, and I told y'all that I tried the the strawberry acai refresher, and so many of you guys were like, try with coconut milk, try with coconut milk. So I think I'm gonna do that. So I just want to try a few different drinks. I typically always stick to like green tea lemonade, or if I'm feeling like fancy with a latte, I'll do a cinnamon dolce latte with non-fat milk. So I want to try different things. So let's get going to Starbucks. So I guess this is going to be like a drive with me, but like not an official drive with me, because y'all are coming with me. I got my head in a mess, girl, I confess. I'm leaving, I'm not coming back. So I always listen to country. Like, country is literally my go-to music. So I think today I want to switch it up a little. So I just watched Morgan Yates' video. It was her drive with me with like 2000s pop punk music, and I was living for it. So we're gonna throw it back to some of my favorite pop punk songs. But this is one of my favorite songs. If you guys know who Silverstein is, Smile in Your Sleep is like one of my hands down favorite songs. And all the times you wanted me, everything would work out in the end. Lie through your teeth, it won't let me down. Just love this song so much. I remember this guy showed me this song, and I had the biggest crush on him. Oh, this song too, you guys. Oh, this one's Monster by Paramore. I gotta wear one right now. If you're dropping down, you would. I just feel so. Just watch my wildest dreams come true. Not one of them involving. Okay, I have a couple of drinks. Can I get the mango dragon fruit Starbucks refresher? What size? Tall, please. And then can I do all of them are going to be talls. Okay. Can I do the strawberry acai refresher with coconut milk? And then I'll do a tall green tea frappuccino. What is made with the green tea frappuccino?
It's just going to be our monster that we add to it.
Okay, well,
made with whole milk. Whipped cream.
Can I have that with non-fat milk, please?
Yep.
Okay, and then
You still want whipped cream?
Yes, and then there's let me see. I think it's a venti very berry refresher with no water. And can you add the cool lime?
Sorry, can you repeat that one more time for me?
It's a venti very berry refresher with no water, and it says to add cool lime. Do y'all have that?
We don't have the cool lime.
No? Okay, that's fine. There was one other drink. I don't know if y'all still have it. It was like a...
You want the no water on the venti berry?
No.
As is?
No, I'm not going to do that one. I'm sorry.
Okay.
So, just the dragon fruit, the strawberry acai, the green tea frappuccino, and then y'all had... I remember seeing it like on an ad or something. It was like a I don't know if it's cinnamon dolce or if it's cinnamon macchiato almond milk coffee, or was it an iced coffee? I don't know if y'all have that or y'all can make that.
Is it the cinnamon almond milk macchiato? You definitely can have that.
You do have that?
Yeah, and you want that ice?
Yes.
Of course.
With non-fat milk, please.
And you want non-fat milk
Yes.
in that?
Yes.
And what size for you?
A tall, please.
A tall?
Yes.
Anything else?
That'll be all.
Alright, 1678.
Okay, thank you. I feel like that was so hard. Hope I did good with the drink orders. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna like the strawberry acai with the coconut milk because I don't even like coconut milk. We're gonna see. This is my favorite Did I Remember song. Yes, please.
Oh, it looks so nice. There you go.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
You too. Alright, so I think I should park here and do it. Is that weird? Or let me just at least take a thumbnail. Thumbnail before these melt. Someone calling me? It's Angie.
Are you at work?
No, I'm filming.
Oh, what are you filming? Am I in your video?
Yeah.
Hi, video.
Hold on, I'll show you right now. I'm parking. Say hi to my video.
Hi, video.
So,
Daily life routine. I talk to Angie every day.
right? Dude, for real. Me and Angie talk every single day. So I'm gonna take a thumbnail real quick. Look at these drinks. Aren't they so pretty?
What are they for? What the fuck?
I'm gonna do a Starbucks taste test video.
Holy shit, how much did you spend?
It was $16. It wasn't bad. Should I take the seatbelt off?
Did you get points?
Yeah, I did. Okay, so I have 4 different drinks. Am I even in the parking spot? Okay. So the first one I got is the green tea frappuccino. I think I'm talking to you, but let's see. I've never tried this, but I've always wanted to try it. It's with that, how do you say it? Matcha?
Matcha. What was I gonna tell you?
Okay, so I got the tall green tea frappuccino with non-fat milk. It's good. Damn. So the next one is the tall mango dragon fruit. Let's see how this is. This tastes like something I've had before. This is really good, but it honestly tastes like something I've had before, and I can't put my finger on it. The next one I have here is the tall strawberry acai refresher with coconut milk, and I don't think I'm gonna like it, but we'll see. This is not bad. This is the pink drink. Are you even looking at me?
Yeah, I was. Oh my god, I shouldn't have did that.
This is good. This is really
Which
good.
one's it? No, I've had that. I've had that. It's good.
It's the pink drink. I've always wanted it, but I was like, no, I don't like coconut milk. But something about having like milk and tea like grosses me out. But this is good. I'm down for this. Oh yeah. The next one is a coffee one, and this is the iced cinnamon almond milk macchiato. This is so pretty. Like, oh, this is so pretty. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is, forget the cinnamon dolce latte. This is, dude.
Taking me out of my comfort zone.
Dude, this is so good. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. Honestly, all of these drinks are pretty bomb. These are all drinks I have never ordered. I'm so proud of myself. Are y'all ready? I don't think y'all are ready. Alright guys, so I am back home, and I think after like driving back and like talking to Angie and like everything, I think for sure my favorite is definitely the iced cinnamon almond milk macchiato. I think next time I'll probably ask for light of the drizzle. After drinking this one, I don't know if just the bottom is just really sweet, but after drinking this one, yeah, I can't do this. It was good at first, like the first initial drink was like good, but this one, you guys, I was so impressed by, like hands down, like yes, like this was so good. Yes, like yes, I never in a million years thought I was gonna like this drink, and it's so good. I did really like the mango dragon fruit drink. This was like so bomb. I feel like I've tried this before. If you guys have tried this before and it reminds you of something, like it reminds me of my childhood, and I just can't think of what it reminds me of. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. But it was super different. I've never done these taste tests. I really want to film a mukbang. Is that how you say it? A mukbang? I really want to film one of those. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. I probably won't be able to do it like sometime this month, but I do want to do it soon. But if you guys are interested, but if I get a good response, then maybe I'll do it sooner. So if you guys want to see a mukbang, I think that's how you say it, let me know down below in the comments. If you guys have any other drink suggestions, please let me know, because this definitely opened my eyes to try other Starbucks drinks. So thank you guys for watching and for sticking around. Hopefully you guys have a good night. Please be safe and stay blessed wherever you are, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. There's someone in the car right next to me, and he's really cute. How can I make this? He's in a white Camaro. Pop punk songs are like a little depressing. Oh god, I just zoomed me in. Oh, the guy left. Alright, we're at the Starbucks. I think I am going to park.